remember this. People change, love hurts, friends leave, things go wrong. But remember that life goes on. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree. Hatred is a curse that does not affect the hated. It only poisons the hater. Release a grudge as if it was poison. If you are not falling down occasionally, you are just coasting. No regrets, just lessons. No worries, just acceptance. No expectations, just gratitude. Life is too short. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Your direction is more important than your speed. Learn to say no without explaining yourself. Life is a one-time offer. Use it well.